In this video, I'm gonna share with you my top Japanese takeout delivery foods. So I know a lot of you are staying home these days. Michael and I have actually been here a lot of the time, aside from just like going out and shopping. And one of the biggest things people have been doing is ordering food. So I kind of wanted to share with you some of my favorite top picks that I've been ordering myself. In fact, when we're not at home cooking, or actually ordering food, which is probably a lot better than going out during this time. And I don't know what service you use in your country, but something that's been really popular recently in Japan, especially in Tokyo, is Uber Eats. So all these places will be from Uber Eats. Oh, and one thing to note for those of you who do live in Tokyo, I live in the Shibuya area, so the places that I'm ordering from are local to this area. So it may be different from where you are. So at the end of the day, I'm hoping you and your family stay safe during this time. And like always, before I start, if you want to help support the channel, check out the Hold My Miso merch. And if you want to see what I'm doing on the daily, check out my Instagram account. So without further ado, let's get our Japanese delivery food on. Number 1, truffle beef sukiyaki rice from Juban Ukyo Ebisu. Truffle shuffle, truffle shuffle, truffle shuffle, truffle shuffle. So basically, I don't get this one a lot at home just because it's a little bit on the more expensive side, but I kind of wanted to show you that you can get something that's pretty, how do you say, extravagant delivered to your home here in Japan. So this is like a traditional Japanese meal. It's called sukiyaki, but what's special about it is that it has these truffles, like these thinly sliced truffles that surround the top of it, and then you have this nice, perfectly, well, it's not perfectly, it's just an egg yolk. Let me just break this for you guys, and then we'll take a bite. All right, the egg has been broken. One thing about the egg is that it's just so orange. The color of the eggs are just so beautiful to me sometimes. When it's that orange, you can feel like it's really rich and like nutritious. Wow, look how big these pieces of meat are. It's just lovely pieces. You can see the truffles, they're taking a ride with the meat, just attached because of that egg yolk. You just flip this around here. I don't know if you guys can see that. To see the marbling of that. Just get it with some rice. Dig deep down for that rice. Oh, I'm getting so excited I can't grab the rice. Okay, I'm just gonna have to just take this rice. Okay, there. I'm just gonna have to take a bite of this. Might get messy in here. Holy damn, that is wonderful. Oh, that meat is so tender, mixed in with the rice and that egg yolk, and then to top it all off, you have that truffle flavoring. And what's so amazing with every single bite, you have the combination of the oil from the meat, you have the richness of the egg, and then the rice creates this like really amazing sticky texture and like kind of brings out all of that umami. Oh, it is just to die for. And this being sukiyaki, you can taste kind of the soy sauce and the dashi. Sometimes you'll have sukiyaki and it's like really, really rich, but this is kind of like lightly put on there, so it's not overpowering, but you do have the egg and then you have the truffles that kind of like accentuate the flavors, so it just brings it all together. Even like the egg adds additional flavor to this, which is quite amazing. You don't really have that like really, really strong sukiyaki taste, but nonetheless, it is delicious. The problem with Uber Eats sometimes is like I kind of go crazy and I just like order everything, and it gets quite expensive, so you have to be careful. So you can't order this stuff all the time, but on a special occasion like this, when I'm sharing it with you guys, definitely worth it. Number 2, pork Millefeuille Katsu with cheese from Kimukatsu Ebisu Honten. Can I get a what? Michael.
I'm supposed to give you what? I didn't give you any what.
What? Anyways, I'll do it myself. We in the building! Check out this flavorful treat. Fried goodness. So this is a pork cutlet, also known as katsu. It has this like breaded panko on the outside, nice and crispy. But what sets this one apart is that it has cheese all up in this. Again, it's Millefeuille whatever, the word that I can't pronounce, 1,000 layers, yes, yes, yes. Mix it in with some rice. That is a bite of champions. I'm so happy. And the thing is, the pork is so tender. The fact is, the meat itself is nice and kind of like airy. It's moist, but it's not like super heavy. And I've actually put sauce on top of it. In Japan, it's like kind of like a sweet Worcestershire sauce. You do have the option to go Worcestershire, or you can do like this ponzu hitter, but I've decided to go with kind of like this sweet, almost like barbecue sauce. I would say, but it's sweet and kind of just like gives it that extra goodness that we all want in our fried food. Look at the beautiful like layers of pork in there, or the cheese kind of embedded inside of the pork, and then the nice crispy crust. Oh, and that cheese is gooey. Gives it a really nice texture to the crunchy outside, moist pork, and then inside you get that gooey tenderness, like a warm hug on a cold winter's day. Again, that's a little bit more on the expensive side, but we're doing this for you guys. Just showing you what's up here in Tokyo. Michael just found out the price. Before I continue on, I wanted to give a quick shout out to our sponsor, Boxu. During this time, their support makes all the difference for me, Maiko, and our baby on the way. If you don't already know, Boxu provides a gourmet experience of Japanese snacks delivered to your front door. They work with traditional Japanese factories, some over 100 years old, to provide you unique snacks. And each monthly box has its own unique theme, so you don't get the same snacks every time. Let me show you what's actually inside the box. Right when you open up the box, you get this nice booklet that takes you through each snack, as well as extra information about Japan. You get 10 to 25 snacks in your box depending on the package you choose, but they're all handpicked from all over Japan to deliver you that great taste from all throughout the country. And what's pretty awesome is that they offer free worldwide shipping. So get 10% off your own authentic Japanese snack box from Boxu and save up to $44 using my code and link in the description. That said, ding dong, come to my door and bring the next delivery item. Number 3, premium fresh cream and strawberry from Grand Premium Daikanyama. So time to switch it up a little bit and do something different. It's dessert time! So here it is, straight from the Gram. The Gram is actually a pancake place. It's a super popular for its fluffy style pancakes, and you can see just the fluff in this right now. Time to take a bite of this creamy pancake fluffiness sensation. Oh. It's like a birthday in my mouth. That is so creamy. It's a nice, light whipped cream, really airy. It's kind of surrounded by this moist, super extra fluffy pancake. And then it has like this little density of what you would expect in a pancake. It has that pancake taste, but since it's a souffle pancake, it's nice and airy, which just pairs really well with the cream. It's like a perfect dessert. They actually offer 3 different flavors. I ordered 2. They have the regular whipped cream, standard flavor. They also have strawberry and chocolate. And here is the strawberry, my favorite. Oh. What I love about this strawberry flavor, it's not like your dull standard strawberry. It has kind of like a tangy taste to it. So it's almost like very close to the sherbet side of strawberry. And it's amazing. It's almost like a raspberry, but it's still strawberry. And you can see like the outer shell, it does have like that pancake like style to it, but it's just a thick souffle pancake. I love the strawberry flavor so much more than everything else. Number 4, cold grilled lamb soup curry from Hokkaido Soup Curry Suage. Alrighty, so this little combination here is one of my favorite soup curry specials. Basically, you get the curry here and then you get the rice here. Just smelling it right now, you can smell that strong lamb smell, and it's kind of like has this smoky smell to it as well, which is really, really intoxicating. I can see that there's just so many spices in here already. One thing I love is how packed filled with meat. So you can actually get different types of meat. I got lamb, which I always usually get, but they also have like chicken leg, chicken neck. You can even get like a vegetable curry. So you can get like different types, which is really nice about this place. But you know, I always go with the lamb these days. It's my favorite. Look at all of this meat. Wow. Oh, I love it. Let me just get some rice in here. What's nice about the rice, it's not just like a straight white rice. I think that's kind of like a genmai rice, so you get like different grains. They don't put too much, but it adds a little bit of that color and additional flavor. So let's just get some rice in there. Look at that loveliness right there. Wow. The first bite is always so amazing. You can get like all of the flavors of the curry. It's kind of like a smoky curry. All of like the flavors from the lamb have kind of just like marinated into the soup itself. Get some more of that rice in here. That mound of delicious rice dipped in. Let me see if I can get some meat trapped in there as well. Whoa, my spoon can't carry that much meat. I'm gonna do it anyway. Look at all that meat. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna see if I can get it in. And what I just love about the soup, it's just a complex flavor. Like you get like the sweetness from the onions, you have like all of the different vegetables. You have some pumpkin in here, you have some eggplant, you get some corn in here, you have the egg, you have the okra, even broccoli. You just get all of these like different vegetables and everything just mixes and marinates into this soup, and all of those flavors combined have just such a complex nature to it. And the thing is, they don't skimp out on the vegetables. Look at this, you get like a half a freaking potato in there. That's amazing how big that is. So if you're looking for a soup curry hitter, this is the joint. And number 5, Temaki sushi from Gonpachi Nori Temaki Harajuku. So I got these sushi rolls. It comes in a set of 3. You can actually order it individually. That's what I do most of the time because you can actually choose which ones you want, but wanted to save a little bit money because spending a little bit too much on the other stuff. So when I first came to Japan, I was so confused on how to open up these sushi rolls. You see them a lot in konbinis, but all you have to do is pull this red strip down. Once you've peeled that red strip, open it up like so, and then you have this like excess here. You can actually just rip it like that, and you kind of just roll it like so, and you pull it out and just roll it. Now, a little secret that a lot of Japanese people do, if you take like this little like seaweed flap right here, you just kind of tear it like so. And then what you do is you take it and use it like that to hold it, so when you're eating from this end, you don't actually drip any of the contents. It works well when you have like natto inside, which is like tends to just like fall out the bottom. So this one is a salmon and avocado. Take the first bite. Salmon is nice and fresh, avocado is on point. And what's nice about the rice that they use, it's called a sumeshi. It's not like regular rice, but in fact it's mixed with a vinegar, so it pairs really, really well with a fish. The nice thing is the seaweed is still like nice and crunchy. Look at this, this is like unbeatable, man. Like if you want to get some sushi rolls, roll it up like the homies. This is one of my favorites, is spicy tuna. You can see they have some cucumber in there. Have another bite of this. I just love the crunchy texture of the cucumber, and then you have like the minced spicy tuna in there. Look at that. This one is fully loaded with fish. I mean, with all this food being delivered to your home, this quality, it's not that bad staying home. To be honest with you, Michael and I have been cooking a lot. Well, Maiko has been cooking a lot. I've been eating a lot. We do try to cook a lot of the time these days, but when Maiko gets kind of tired or doesn't want to cook, or we're just like busy editing videos or filming and doing other stuff, then we just use Uber Eats, and it's just so easy. And this is Nagaimo Mentaiko. I just had two and I'm getting kind of full, so we'll leave this one for later. So those are my top picks. Let me know in the comments how Japanese food delivery compares to your country. If you like this video, help me out and hit that like button. And if you want to help support the channel, check out the Hold My Miso merch. If you want to see what I'm doing on the daily, check out my Instagram account. And if you want to see more videos like this or Japan guides or anything that's related with Japan, hit that subscribe button and the bell button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.